So today we are looking at transport system. So specifically for P5, we are looking at plant transport system and human transport system. So for plant transport system, I'm just going to do a very fast recap on the different plant parts. Okay, this is actually a P4 topic. What are the plant parts that we have and what are the functions of each plant part? Okay, so I'll do this very, very quickly. I need y'all to help me participate so that we don't overrun today's lesson. Okay, Yan Xing, managed to get it printed out? Yes or no? I can't see.
You
Yes, Yan Xing?
you mean about the online homework or what?
Yes, the online homework. I have just sent a message to your parents. They can see it. I asked them to print it out for you because you made your entire no, you didn't have a single question correct at all. So I really need you to copy down stuff. Can you ask them to print it out for you?
But then my father say just receive. Need to
Just
help.
what?
Okay.
Sorry? Okay, if they are unable to print it out for you, I want you to copy every single thing you see on the screen.
Now only.
My father said that he just received just now.
I know, correct. So if you are unable to do it, I need you to copy every single thing on the screen. Okay? You hear me?
Yes.
Okay, great. Okay, so I'm going to start, yeah? So I'm just going to label all these parts for you guys. I want you to draw a plant out. Okay, on your paper, whatever paper you have. If you cannot draw such a complicated plant, I want to see at least one flower, one of this object, the stem, nice and long, the roots, and a few of these things. Okay, please draw it out now, all of you. So I'm going to label for you very easy: flower, fruit, leaf, stem, roots. Okay, flower and fruits, what are they? They are considered the what structures of a plant. Darius, I've started lesson. Can you please sit down and copy whatever you see on the screen? What are the red color? What are the flower and fruits? They are considered the what of the plant? Reproductive what? Forget it. Never mind. Reproductive structures of the plant. Okay, so my flower and fruit is the parts that are needed for reproduction. So can you tell me, at the flower, what are the two reproductive processes that take place, Phoebe?
Fertilization
Two processes.
and pollination.
Which one comes first? Darius, I want you to start copying. Don't be smiling into the camera, yeah? Phoebe, which one comes first? Sorry.
Pollination.
Then fertilization. Good. Okay. Darius, can you tell me what is the definition for pollination?
The transportation from the
What? What? Transportation? You're sitting a bus, is it? You should be using the right terms now. Your exams are probably in a month away. What term should you use? What?
transfer
Good. Transfer
of pollen grains to the anther and to the stigma.
Can you mention that again? Your words are all jumbled out. Transfer of pollen grains?
From the anther to the stigma.
Good. Ziyi, what is the definition of fertilization?
The female parts. And,
Female parts, fertilization, my dear girl. Hurry up.
the female parts and the male parts come together.
Ziyi, the female parts are the stigma, the style, the ovary, and the ovule. The male parts are the anther and the filament. So you're telling me the entire stigma, style, ovary, and ovule come together with the anther and filament. Does that make any sense or not, Ziyi? Not funny, yeah. Your exam is 1 month away. You cannot even tell me what is the definition for fertilization. Yes, Chengxing, can you try? Ziyi, I'm very disappointed in you, yeah. Chengxing, yes.
Fertilization is like when the nucleus of the male reproductive cell fuses with the female nucleus of the female reproductive cell.
Good try. Now, Chengxing, can you tell me what is the where is the male reproductive cell found in the plant?
In the pollen grains.
Good. So inside the pollen grain, very good. Where is the female reproductive cell found in the plant?
In the ovule.
Very good. So please remember the pollen grain and the ovule is not the male and female reproductive cell. The male and female reproductive cell is found inside the ovule and the pollen grain respectively. Very good, Chengxing. So it's when the nucleus of the female reproductive cell found in the ovule. I put in brackets, okay? You don't need this in your definition, but I want you to remember it is found inside the ovule. Fuses, very good that you use the word fuses. So I think just now, Ziyi, you were looking for, you said the word come together. I want you to use this F word, okay? Okay, done. Now let's look at the leaves. Okay, if you all are still copy, you can listen to me talk. The leaf has 3. Phoebe, please keep your video on at all times. Thank you. I don't want to keep repeating myself. Phoebe, please keep the video on. I will not carry on until you have the video on. And then we are going to overrun. I have a lot of material to cover today. Phoebe, keep your video on. I don't think she's at her table. Okay, never mind. Let's move on. Yanqing, the leaf has 3 functions. Can you state any of the functions that you know?
First one is
Maybe this is the last time that I'm going to ask you to keep your video on, yeah? If the next time I see your video off, I'm going to kick you out of class. Do you understand? Yes or no, Phoebe? Yes, first function, Yanqing.
trap light and make it into wood for the whole entire plant.
So traps light for photosynthesis. Very good. So Yanqing, can you tell me which part traps light? What part of the leaf allows it to trap light?
Stomata.
Oh, the stomata. Ervi, is that correct? Does the stomata trap light for the leaf? Yanqing, you made this mistake in your worksheet, yeah? I don't know where you got this piece of information from. The part that traps light is not the stomata, Yanqing. The part that traps light is the chlorophyll. Where is chlorophyll found? It is found in the chloroplast. You learned cells before, right, Yanqing? In the plant cell, there is a structure called chloroplast that contains a green pigment known as chlorophyll. So please remember this. Since we are on the topic of photosynthesis, Yanqing, what is the chemical equation for photosynthesis? What plus what gives me what and what? Darius, I hope you are copying, yeah? Yanqing, what is the formula for photosynthesis? What plus what gives me what and what? Hurry up, please. Yanqing, I'm waiting for you. The whole class is waiting. Yanqing, hurry up. Whatever you know, the whole class is waiting. Like I said, I have a lot of material to cover today. The longer you drag, we are going to overrun. Come on. What is needed for photosynthesis? Let's start there. What are these two that is needed? Cannot be you don't know a single thing, right? Sorry?
Oxygen.
Oxygen is needed for photosynthesis, Yanqing. Are you sure or not? What is the gas that is needed for photosynthesis, Yanqing? Come on.
Right.
Gas. What is the gas that is needed? Instead of oxygen, what should it be, Yanqing? Come on.
HO2.
HO2? HO2 is a gas, ah. There's no such thing as HO2. H2O is water. I don't know what's HO2. What should it be? Darius, can you help him? Yanqing, this is a very big problem. You can't even remember the chemical equation for photosynthesis, yeah? You better copy it down. Darius, can you help him, please?
Carbon dioxide,
Plus,
sunlight,
sunlight is not one of the ingredients here. What am I looking for? What is needed for photosynthesis? Darius also cannot remember. What else is needed for photosynthesis? Ziyi, can you help him? Ziyi, can you help him, please?
Water.
Good. What is released, Darius?
energy,
Plants straight away release energy, yeah.
oxygen,
What else? This is a process of making what, Darius?
food,
Please never write energy, yeah? Energy is only released during respiration. Photosynthesis straight away doesn't give you energy. Darius, please copy this down. Everybody, please copy this down. Yanqing as well. Okay? What is the next function of the leaves? Chengxing? The next two functions are carried out by the stomata.
Allows gaseous exchange.
Between the plant and the surrounding. Now, a lot of you in your worksheet managed to say that the stomata or the leaf allows gaseous exchange. Now, you cannot stop there. Okay, if you want to talk about gaseous exchange, I need to see between what and what. Okay, so between the plant and surroundings. All right, so please remember this. I think Avi, Chengxing, and I believe it's Phoebe. Okay, y'all just say gaseous exchange. Need to say between plant and surroundings. What is the third function, Avi? Also the stomata.
It releases excess water.
Not excess water. So what does it do? Lose what?
Lose water.
Yes,